I have stood on this hill since before memory kept dates, long before anyone alive today, before their grandparents, before the roads below had names. I was already watching the valley change with the seasons. My towers were not built for beauty. Whoever held this crossing held the passage, the time, the border. That is what I was, once, a sentinel of gray stone, crenellated against the sky, built to see danger coming from every direction the wind could carry it. I do not tell that story to impress you. I tell it because it is still true. The silence you feel walking toward me is not empty. It is earned. Somewhere along the way, I stopped being only a fortress. A wing was raised beside my oldest tower, softer stone the color of warm earth, arched windows opening onto light I had never let in before. I learned to hold both, the discipline of defense and the ease of a home. That balance is rare. Most castles choose one and lose the other. I kept both, and I am better for it. Inside, I still carry the marks of the families who called me theirs. A coat of arms watches over the dining hall, from above a fireplace carved by hands that took their time. Crystal candelabra still catch the afternoon light exactly where they were placed. 53 rooms, and not one of them was added carelessly. Everyone earned its place. I was not renovated. I was restored, and the difference matters more than people think. Renovation erases, restoration listens. What could not be replaced wasn't touched. What the present required was added with the same patience the past used to build me in the first place. Around me, the Riserva Naturale di Monte Rufeno keeps its own kind of silence, forests that have grown undisturbed, a landscape that has chosen not to hurry. The old pilgrim road, the Via Francigena, still passes near enough that I remember the footsteps. Few places can say the land around them was protected as carefully as the walls themselves. I can. I am not asking to be visited. Visitors come and go, and I have watched thousands of them do exactly that, leaving nothing behind but footsteps in the gravel. What I am asking for is rarer. Someone to take on the responsibility I have carried alone for centuries. Someone who understands that owning me is not a transaction. It is a continuation. My walls do not need an owner. They need whoever comes next to understand what came before. 53 rooms, 35 bedrooms, a history longer than any single family's, waiting for the next chapter to begin. I am not a castle to visit. I am a place to be entrusted with.